Hey y'all, I'm gonna play That's Not My Neighbor today. I should play this. Anyways, that, load it. My gosh, a nightmare mode. So like, there's these open, but like, whatever. Play that. Yeah, we don't need to see this. We already know how to play this. At least I think. Hello. Bye. Okay, those are all the people that need to be here. Excuse me? Why are you already here? Hello? I remember it was 42, right? Excuse me. 40. Hello? 42. What? Yeah, maybe because I couldn't see what I was typing. Anyways. Hello. Good afternoon. Okay. Are you gonna list? Yeah. Albertsky Peachman. Let me like actually. No. Hold on, I'm already fumbling. I'm a resident of the building. No kidding. I come from my job as a shoemaker. Are you a shoemaker? Yeah. Has a mustache. Prominent chin. Big nose. Big eyebrows. Long face. Seems good to me. He low-key looks like a hammerhead shark though. No offense, my guy, but like, yeah. Wait. I don't even know if... Wait. It's supposed to be, like, to check if it's expired, right? I don't even know what day it is. Oh, wait. What the heck? February 1955. So, hello? We're not even in that, like, right now. Hold on. So, since I left to go research on Google, I have to redo that. So that thing is for when the ID expires. So it expires in the future. Alright. Okay, skip that. We already know what we're doing. Oh, hello. Hi, or whatever. Yeah, your thing is good. We good. Anastasia. Last name Michaelis. I live here. Whatever. My apartment is the floor on the second floor. She's a student. Shouldn't you say that you come from the school? Anyways, Anastasia, Michaelis, tired eyes, 2 ponytails, small nose, round face. Sounds about right to me. 1326, 9853, 9853, 4462. Yeah, that's the ID number. You seem cool to me. Okay, good. Can you open the door for me? Or whatever. Yeah, okay, bye. Go away. Excuse me? You don't even have an entry request or nothing. Why do you look like that? What happened? My face? Yeah? Or is the skin or whatever? Did you just skin your face or something? Where are your entry requests? My ID? Yeah. I don't know what it is or whatever. Yes, your entry request. The fact you don't even know what that is. Go away, please. Anyways. Game protocol completed. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Aren't you supposed to wear a hat? First up, your entry request. Sorry, yeah. I don't care. Where do you live? Yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, you're supposed to wear a hat. Where's your hat? Where's your hat? About my appearance, is it because of my hat? Yeah. Call my apartment and ask my wife. Alright, let me do that. Oh my gosh. 4258. Hello, Raptolin speaking. My husband is not at home. I know that. His hat? Yes, he left it here. Oh, okay. Alf Capucin. You're a lawyer? Uh-huh. All seems nice to me. Are you on the list? Yeah. ID, appearance technically. Just go. Hello, good afternoon. Are you on the list? Yeah, you're on the list. You look so different in there. Nasha Michaelis. Yeah, you're supposed to be here. Are you supposed to say your job? You're a chef. Right eye is blue. Left eye is green. Hello. Anyways, curly hair. She has freckles. Round face. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not gonna read all those numbers. I'm lazy. Okay, bye. Go away. Excuse me, you're not even on the list, straight up. Am I not on today's list? Yeah. I think there's an error. I should be on the list. You're not even gonna make no excuse or nothing? Yeah, you're not on the list, my dude. Where do you live? 7332. Imagine he picks up, be like, hey girl. Did I not call the right number? 7332. No, he's not there. Why are you not on the list then? You're not on the list, babe. But you're not. Excuse me? Big eyebrows. Yep. Big smile. Yep. Prominent chin. Big nose. Yeah, fair. Do your hair look the same? Yep. Still absolutely chopped. The fact you live with nobody else except for yourself is crazy. Anyways. You come from your job as a reporter. You're not even on the list, babe. Goss. Let me check this, see if that's spelled right. It's right. Okay. Are your ears right? Yeah. So, like, you're not on the list. Yeah, I know that. You kinda didn't, but like. Alright, go away. Are we done yet? Why are you here again? Why are you here again? Sir, why are you here again? And I'm very sure you have no mole. You have no mole, my dude. And you're not on the list. That little mole in the corner, you think I don't notice that? No. Go away, dude. Okay. I knew it. You're already home, dude. Exactly. You're already home. Go away. I'm gonna speed this. What, huh? Speed this up and come back because I only have like 2 minutes left to record. You see this? She is a doppelganger because that knows no. Bye. Yeah, I just know I got rid of her. Imagine Isaac was actually a doppelganger and I just let him in. Hello, girl. Your doppelganger just came in like 2 seconds ago. I think I did it. I did it. Wow, I did it. Record. Hold up. Oh. That's just my record. Oh. I did it. Okay. Anyways, that is all for today. Bye, Mila and